Oh, crypto fam, and good morning. We've had a crazy freaking week on Bitcoin, but we're going to talk about it today. We're going to talk deep dive on Bitcoin in itself and how that is going to be impacted and what previously happened in November. So be sure to stick around. We're going to try to see if we're looking for a positive or a negative market outlook. Let's go into the statistics and the data to give us these answers. So here's what we know right now. Bitcoin has surged 7% this month. But historically, you guys, November usually shows an average gain of about 43%. So we have a long ways to go to hit that. And when we do, it's going to be sexy, right? That's the goal. Then we also have seen that there's analysts who really believe that there's significant room for growth this month, especially following this Donald Trump election win. He's not even in office yet, and he's making changes that have pushed us to maybe get to a path that are to $100,000 Bitcoin. And so many freaking analysts are optimistic. For example, Ryan Lee from Big Get Research fully predicts Bitcoin's going to reach 100K. And I actually don't disagree with him. Don't know how soon, don't know when. I knew Bitcoin would hit 75K, and now it's past that tremendously. So from the current situation and the sentiment, I do believe 100K is feasible, right? Then we've also got high open interest in the BTC futures, and there's also increased stable coin usage. This usually indicates that traders are preparing for like a potential price volatility, right? There's going to be a lot of movement. It's either going to be a lot higher movement or a lot lower movement, but regardless, it's going to be very volatile. And usually volatility means that the whole world is watching. And the more people that watch, the more probable that there's going to be a lot of liquidity entering the market, which gives us the capability to get to that 100K BTC, right? Another thing we've got is there's institutional interest. There's a lot. Now, Fadi Abdulfa, I can never say his name right, and he's of Cooper.co. He's suggesting that Trump's win may lead to political changes that are favoring the digital asset, right? 100% true. And around 1.1 million is currently held in 1.1 million Bitcoin is held in ETFs. And that's really growing so freaking fast by institutional interest. And we just saw that previous video. Please watch that. We talked about how BlackRock had put in the largest amount of ETF inflow, that they saw the largest amount of ETF inflow this entire time. And that's what pushed us to some of these newer highs, right? We also are seeing technical patterns and charts stating that it could hit 200,000 by mid 2025. I do love the charts and the technical analysis, but I only use it for short-term and medium-term trades. For long-term trades, I'm usually just focusing on what assets I truly believe in. Like, I'm a long-term Bitcoin holder. It's one of my like retirement portfolios, and I just leave it for that, right? Now, for day trading, I do trade BTCC. I do trade Bitcoin on BTCC, and it makes it really easy. So and for longer term holds, I do hold Bitcoin for my retirement, but I also do trade Bitcoin on exchanges like BTCC, and I use leverage because then I still have my investment for Bitcoin, right? But then I have my day trade and medium term trades that are making me consistent money. And you can too. Very simple. Use the link below. Just try and practice and do not go in with everything. You need to practice so you can get good at it. I've also got some trading videos you can follow prior and see if those help. But here's also what we saw. The crypto influencer Lark Davis, big guy there, big crypto guy there, basically believes that Bitcoin could hit also 100K in 90 days. And he's spurred by like recent price increases and basically the optimism in the market, which again, I totally agree. And the fact that we just surpassed 77K, right, past couple days, it is signs that the market is fully supportive of Bitcoin. And with Trump and Musk entering here soon, a couple months, we are going to see some political changes that actually finally back Bitcoin and crypto in general. So you need to be watching. You don't want to be left behind. Don't let the internet pass you and money move faster than you, because then you will be behind and you're just going to be relying on the government, and you don't want to do that. Click follow and subscribe. And I'm going to give you guys more crypto news like this. And more importantly, now that liquidity has entered Bitcoin and it is entering altcoins as we see, I know it's going to enter the meme coins. That's what happens every run. So we're going to be hunting. So if you guys got any ideas, comment below some. All right. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.